Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice very well before you go into it on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a reasonable one. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Right from this resistance zone we had a downtrend, and of course you can see the red flag, and of course the sell signal also came up. So once the market is on downtrend, then definitely we should only obey the sell signals. Okay, this gave us the opportunity to come in 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and of course that would have ended up in huge profit. Okay, it was unable to break out below the support zone, so it pulled back a bit and it is still trying to sell for a while. Okay, if it's unable to break out below this particular support zone, then definitely it will go back fully into a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, if it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time. Starting from this support zone, you can see the yellow flag signifies that the market is on uptrend, and that is why the blue arrows should be obeyed. Okay, so it's broke out from this resistance zone, also broke out from here also, and of course it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above the next resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on its downtrend. Okay, so for now this is still buying. Might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. The market was on downtrend and a very long one, but came to an end at this support zone. So it gave us a yellow flag, which signifies that okay, the market is going on uptrend, and ever since it has been on uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 actually came on downtrend, came to an end around there, and went back on buy on an uptrend. Okay, but was unable to break out above this resistance. It had a pullback and it's trying to go back up again to see if it will be able to break out from this resistance. So for now this is still buying. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. This had been on downtrend right from the resistance, got to this region, pulled back, and of course went down again, got to somewhere here, and of course it had a pullback and went down. So this is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my trading videos, make sure you understand every part of the or I mean strategies shared there. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.